Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a super delicious recipe for homemade protein French toast. Let's get to work. For this recipe, you're gonna need definitely eggs or egg whites. Only egg whites would also be good, but we are also using an egg here. And we have a monk fruit here, the golden version, which tastes a little bit like caramel, but you could also take your own choice of sweetener. You also need some butter, cinnamon, milk, and white toast, or you take the whole grain one. Grab yourself a bowl, add your egg, and then your egg whites and the milk into the bowl. Give it all a good mix, make sure everything is nicely combined. And then just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of your sweetener of choice. I love the golden monk fruit because it just tastes like maple syrup or brown sugar, which gives everything a nice extra little taste. Just try it out. Let me know what you think. And then you're also gonna add your cinnamon. Of course, you can take as much cinnamon as you like. I just like this amount, which is about like a you saw it, it's just not much. So now we're going to transfer the egg milk mix into a bigger container so that we have enough space for the toast to soak. You could technically also obviously cut the edges, but I don't like wasting food and I'm not bothered by the edges. It's up to you. And then you just put your fresh toast into the mixture. You could also do it overnight. And then you just soak it. You just soak it. The longer it stays in this mixture, obviously, the more it becomes soaked. Now it's time to heaten up your pan and then add your butter, melted. You could also take some coconut oil. This amount is definitely not for diet, so make sure you adjust the amount of the butter you take for your macros. If you have any questions about that, just let me know. I am more than happy to answer your questions. The butter is melted, you put your French toast into the pan and then add the rest of the liquid, all of it on top. And once it looks like stiffer at the edges, you can just give it a nice turn and then it looks golden brown like this. It will take you about 1 or 2 minutes if your butter and the pan is hot enough. Make sure it's not smoking the oil, it's just warm. And also at the edges, the butter becomes brown butter, which is extra delicious. Once both sides are golden brown, add your warm French toast on a plate with this delicious golden monk fruit and then turn and twist it in it. Make sure every corner is covered with this delicious sweetener. No, I am not sponsored by them. I just love the product. And then add yourself some extra cinnamon on top if you like. That's it, guys. This is the French toast in the morning. You could give a nice garnish with some berries or some banana or some low-calorie syrup of your choice. You could also take the high-calorie one, obviously. I just love this low-calorie stuff because I think here and there, during the normal days of the week, we can indulge, but we should always watch the calories and the macros because life is good and we want to have a balanced life. Let me know in the comment section down below how you balance out your diet. I am more than pleased to know how you do it. And then also let me know what kind of recipes you guys love me to cook for you. Just engage in all of this because I love to grow this channel. I do that for you guys and also because I love it. And then try out this delicious low-calorie French toast recipe. I just really love it. And whoever loves French toast will definitely fall in love with this version. we made it. It is the higher protein version. Whoop, whoop. It has lower calories, definitely. I think you could even go lower if you skip the butter part and just take like a spray oil. But I also like some sort of taste, and I think this brown butter smell is very important. So I just took way less butter, which is also good enough for me. And then look at this. This looks the same. And guys, I can tell you, this monk fruit over here is amazing. It has like a caramelly kind of taste. It has 0 calories. It is made out of a root, and you actually feed your good gut bacteria. If you want to have any additional information to that, just Google and you will find a ton of information about it. Do it. It's amazing. So we have also extra cinnamon that we can always use, specifically when we work low calorie. It's very intelligent to go a little bit like overboard with the condiments, in this case cinnamon. Now the smell is epic. It's really good. Just letting you know, if you are on a diet or something and you want to eat every morning your French toast and you do it like this, it's perfectly fine, but you need to keep yourself in a lower calorie intake, meaning you need to be on a deficit. You need to burn more than you eat. You need to eat less than you burn. However you say it, lower calories. So that means have your portion control. Maybe you not eat 3 of them, but just 2 or just 1. But now I'm gonna try this baby for you. It is super moist. Looks incredibly good to me. Let's try it. This is amazing. Guys, there is 0 difference to the one with cream and more butter and sugar and more egg yolk. 0. This is super moist, super delicious, super sweet, with a little trick to add the sweetener also into the liquid. It is epic. I love it. Try these out and let me know what you think. Oh, wow. This is my purpose. Showing you guys that it's possible. You can enjoy a healthy lifestyle. You can convert your favorite dishes and make them taste good and make you feel amazing, be fit, be strong, and to just indulge with a good feeling without feeling guilty. That's important. So this is my mission. Share this video with your loved ones. Do it yourself. Share it with all your friends. I mean, let's share this content to make everybody aware they don't need to be like overweight in order to be able to enjoy their favorite foods. This is not how it should go. Although I'm saying in cooking, the other recipes, the original ones, are amazing and they have their place. It's always 80-20. So let's do that and share the word. Thank you so much. Enjoy your breakfast. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.